Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to class science. Hero number 6, air. It's time to practice exercise. Let's move to eyes. First question is write proper term or word against each statement. The layer of the atmosphere that supports all life is troposphere. The gas that makes up the largest part of air is nitrogen. The gas that makes up about 21% of air is oxygen gas. A gas which is filled in soda water bottles is carbon dioxide gas. Question number 2 is encircle the letter of the best answer. Thick blanket of air around the earth is atmosphere. Number 2, we can produce a lot of urea fertilizer because there is a lot of nitrogen in the air. Number 3 is during their space journey, rockets use liquid oxygen. Number 4 is we want our bun to be fluffy. Which gas can help us? Carbon dioxide gas. Number 5, percentage of carbon dioxide in air is about 0.03 to 0.04%. Which gas is considered as life-supporting gas? Oxygen gas. Now question number 3 is answer the following questions in detail. What is the atmosphere? How is air important for us? Its answer is on page number 59. Write some uses of oxygen in our daily life. Its answer is on page number 61. Write some properties of carbon dioxide. Answer is on page number 62. Question number 4 is extend your thinking. How would air composition change if there were no plants? With no natural means to convert carbon dioxide to oxygen, the atmosphere would gradually build up carbon dioxide and at a much faster rate than global climate change is being driven by the excess carbon dioxide gas that we are producing. Without plants to eat, all herbivores and most omnivores will die within a matter of weeks. Question number 2 is when an empty glass is inverted vertically in a tub of water, the water does not enter the inverted glass. Why do you think this is so? When an empty glass is inverted vertically into tub of water, the water does not enter the inverted glass because the inverted glass contains air. Question number 3 is why is carbon dioxide important to the survival of life on earth? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लाइफ के सर्वाइवल के लिए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है? एज वी नो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज प्लांट्स यूज दिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर photosynthesis to make energy. This food energy is in the form of the sugar, glucose, C6, H12O6 and plants also produce oxygen gas. And this oxygen gas is useful for breathing, is useful for burning, useful for welding and cutting of metals. Question number 4 is based on what you have learned, can you give 3 ways in which oxygen and nitrogen are the same and 2 ways in which they are different? 3 ways वो बताने हैं जिसमें नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन एक दूसरे से सिमिलर हों और 2 ways वो बताने हैं जिसमें ये दोनों एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट हों. Oxygen is very active gas but nitrogen is not an active gas. Number 2, oxygen helps in burning and rusting of iron but nitrogen does not burn and it reduces the rusting of iron. Come toward last question. Question number 5, concept map. Fill the concept map using following words. ये 4 वर्ड्स यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं. इन 4 वर्ड्स को इन बॉक्सेस के अंदर हमने पुट करना है. रिड्यूस रस्टिंग, सबसे फर्स्ट वाले बॉक्स में आएगा एयर. रिड्यूस रस्टिंग कौन सी गैस है जो रस्टिंग को रिड्यूस करती है? तो उसमें आएगा नाइट्रोजन गैस. हेल्प्स इन बर्निंग, ऑक्सीजन बर्निंग में हेल्प करती है. ड्राइस, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ड्राई आइस के तौर पे एक्ट करती है. सो ये था हमारा आज का लेक्चर को ध्यान से सुने. अगर कोई क्यूरी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकती हैं. Thank you very much. Allah bless you all.